This art lesson is sponsored by Paramount Pictures for the movie If, now available on digital. Today we're super excited to draw a very special character from the movie If.
Yeah, we're going to learn how to draw my favorite character, Blossom.
We hope you're going to follow along with us, but before we get started, we want to let the parents and adults know that If is now available on digital.
So you can watch it at home for your next family movie night.
Parents, you can find the movie using the link in the description below this video. It's a fun and really heartfelt movie about imaginary friends that both parents and kids will love.
And don't forget to use the hashtag IFMovie.
Yeah, if you share your child's drawings online, use this hashtag. All right, you ready to draw Blossom?
Yes.
Let's start by drawing Blossom's nose. We're going to draw it in the middle of our paper, but towards the top, so that we have room for her whole body. We're going to start by drawing an upside down U, a really small one. And then we'll draw a line to connect the bottom, and we can even color in her nose. Yeah, then we're going to draw her cheeks. We're going to draw one coming out to the left and another one on the right side. And I'm also drawing them really close to the nose. Then we're going to draw her eyes, and they're really big. We're going to draw big upside down U shapes connecting to her cheeks. And then I'm going to draw another one over here, the same size. Then let's draw her pupils inside. We're going to draw big circles. We're going to draw them like this. And then we'll draw a big circle over here also, or big ovals. And the bottom of the oval, I also touched her cheek. Now we could also draw little sideways V's, letter V's, inside of her eye too. This is for the highlight to make her eyes look shiny. Then we're going to color in the oval, but leave those little triangles white. Next, let's draw her smile. We're going to draw a really cute smile underneath her nose. And we can also add little cheek lines too. Then let's draw her chin. And we're going to match the same curve as her mouth. And we're going to start here and draw it coming under for her chin, and then slightly back up for the other side. Oh, let's also draw her eyebrows. We're going to draw a curve over each eye for her cute little eyebrows. Nice. Now let's draw the side of her head. We're going to draw a curve coming up close to her eyes, and then we're going to stop right above her eyebrows. And we'll do that same curve over here for the other side of her head. Then we're going to connect these two curves together with another curve. Now let's draw the top of her head and her bangs. We're going to draw a rainbow line that comes over the top. And then we're going to draw the side of her hair coming down and curving into her cheek. And then we can do that same curve on the other side into her cheek. And then right here, let's draw her hair curls up next to her cheek. So we can add another curve inside of her hair. Now let's give her eyelashes. She has really long eyelashes. So we're going to start here and we'll curve into the top of her eye. And then let's match on the other side too. And then we'll leave a little space, and then we're going to draw another eyelash. But look, I got closer towards where it comes into her eye. And then we can do the same thing over here. And then let's add one more so she has 3 eyelashes on each side. And she also had antennae. She had 2 antennae coming out of her head, and we kind of ran out of paper, but that's okay. You can just go off the page. So I'm going to curve like this into her head on both sides. And at the very top or end of her antenna, we can add a little circle. We did it. We drew her cute little head. Now we're ready to draw her body. Let's draw 2 lines coming down from her chin. Then we'll connect those lines down here for the bottom of her vest or her waist. And then we can also add a little letter V inside. And let's also draw a little wiggly line for her collar. Next, let's draw her dress, her little tutu. We're going to draw 2 diagonal lines coming out. Oh, and what was one of your favorite parts with Blossom in it?
When she was glowing.
Oh, yeah. Don't give away too much, but that was one of my favorite parts too. And she's dancing and glowing. That was, oh, it was awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's draw the bottom of her little tutu. We're going to draw a wiggly line all the way over and connect to the other side. Then let's come back up and we're going to draw her sleeves. We'll draw the letter C on the left and a backward C on the right side. Now let's draw her arms coming out of her sleeves. We're going to draw it coming out, and then we're going to draw it bending back in. And we're drawing her in a little ballet pose. Then let's draw the inside of her arm. We're going to draw that same curve coming in, connecting to her tutu. And then we'll do the same thing over here. It looks like her hands are behind her dress. We're going to draw the start of her gloves. Then we're going to draw her thumb curving in on both sides. It looks like a sideways J. And then we're going to draw her first finger curving around and then back into her wrist. And then let's do the same thing over here to match. And then we can also add another finger right here and here. We could also add another finger, but let's leave it simple just like that. Now let's draw her legs, and we're going to draw them crossed. So first we're going to draw a line coming down diagonal here. This is her little ballet pose. We're going to draw the other side of her leg coming down. And then we're going to draw her ballet shoes curving this way. And then we're going to connect it back in to the other side of her leg. Then let's draw her other leg crossing behind. And we're going to imagine that going behind this leg, coming out here. And then we're going to draw the front of her foot. Oh, let's come back up here and we'll draw the other side of her leg coming down. And we can draw it curving into her other foot. Oh, she's looking really cute. Let's draw the details for her ballet shoes. So first, let's draw the shoe. We'll draw it on this foot. And then we can also match it on the other foot going the other direction. And then let's draw a strap here and on the other foot. Then we're going to draw 4 lines for 2 more straps, but coming up her leg. So there's 4 lines for 2 straps, and then we're going to do the same 4 lines going up the other leg. And then it's also tied, so let's draw 2 little bumps for a bow on each foot. And we did it! We finished drawing Blossom. She looks really cute, except we still need to
color her.
Yes, my favorite part. We're gonna fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
And we're almost done coloring. let's add a few more things. I added little sleeves here, and you can draw an extra line there on her arms. We could also add little texture lines for her hair on her bangs. And, oh, I also forgot to color this strap down here. We used our markers to color with, but you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even crayons. The last thing we can do is use our white colored pencil to add 2 little buttons on her vest. Oh, and we could also use this white colored pencil to make the triangle highlight in her eyes bigger or brighter. You can even add little highlights in her hair. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring Blossom, and she turned out perfect. I especially love yours.
Thanks, I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. Now you can pause the video to match our same coloring. Don't forget to add red suspenders. And also,
Rosy cheeks.
yeah, I really like her cheeks. They're super cute.
Yes.
Now the colors that we used were light gray for her face, slightly darker gray for her hair, vest, arms, and legs. We also used the light gray to add shading on her gloves.
And a light pink for her tutu.
Yeah,
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Blossom with us.
we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'd love to see how your drawings turned out. So parents, be sure to share your child's artwork using the hashtag #IfMovie.
And make sure to check out If on Digital. It's perfect for family movie night.
You can find the link to purchase it in the description below this video.
We also want to give a big thank you to Paramount Pictures for sponsoring this art lesson.
And thanks to you for drawing with us, and we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.